Okay, folks. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. I just put the first coat on these 1960's K-frame diamond service grips. K-frame square butt diamond service grips. The lighting's not great in here, but I think they turned out pretty good. I got all the old finish off. I patched up the cracks and the holes and chips and stuff like that, and there's none of that now. These are seamless. They look perfect. I should have did it before, but I didn't think about it because I have more than one pair I've got to work on. I just offhandedly decided to shoot this because I'm pretty busy. So anyway, thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. I appreciate it.